Hi, this is Jose Schmidt with Hair Transplants of Florida again with more hair restoration information. So why do we feel that at Hair Transplants of Florida, we're your best option for your hair restoration surgery here in Orlando? Well, at first glance, if you ever Google hair transplant Orlando, you're going to come up with a list of a lot of options, a lot of clinics, a lot of doctors. But closer look, you're going to start to realize there aren't that many options in Orlando. First of all, you have a lot of clinics that are from 2, 3, 4 hours away, where you have to travel a long way to have your surgery done. Then for follow-ups, it's not easy. Not to mention, they're even more expensive than we are. Then you have plastic surgeons that are jumping on the FUE bandwagon, who don't specialize in hair, won't even touch you during surgery because they have technicians do your full surgery, so they're off the table. Then you have pediatricians, who's not a surgeon, internal medicine doctor who's not a surgeon, and even an ophthalmologist who offers several services, isn't a hair specialist himself, doesn't touch you during surgery, so that doesn't sound like much of an option when hair restoration is concerned. So in our case, Dr. Samuel Botta is our board certified cosmetic surgeon. He's a hair specialist. All he does is hair. He's been specializing in hair for over 25 years, and he has over 11,000 hair transplant surgeries under his belt, and he specializes in both FUE and FUT. So if you'd like more information, give us a call at 407-635-9101. You can check out our results. I think they stand out amongst everybody else. You can check them out at hairtransplantorlando.com. And again, we offer a complimentary consultation, so give us a call. We'll be happy to meet with you, share information, and we'll be happy to be of service and help you reach your hair restoration goals. We'll talk to you soon.